So, eto na. Magbo-boarding ako ng mas maaga for the time of the departure. Baka naman kasi ma-11,000 challenge na naman ako. So, this is the view here. Ito yung view dito. And 1:30 na madaling araw na flight. Ayan, mag-isa. Tapos naka-sleeveless. Naka-top spaghetti with a short. With a... tingnan mo naman. Pinapasa ko to sa sa dressing. Ano lang to, parang boxer short lang design nito. Tapos shoes, ganyan. Black shoes. Parang pupunta lang ng yoga na outfitan. Ayan. So, ayun. Dapat naka-flight na ako. Ilang hours kaya ang flight from the time dito? Kaya Manila to Davao. This is my first time to flight Davao talaga. And sobrang lawak ng Davao from norte to south. And meron pang tingnan natin kung anong makikita natin sa Davao. And based on experience na isang beses ako napunta ng Davao, nakakaligaw talaga siya. Hindi pareho sa probinsya ng talaga ng Cotabato City na just walk around and everything in the top of the city na, and sobrang lawak ng Davao. Try natin kung saan tayo mapadpad sa vlog na to. So this is what happened. Hindi ko talaga siya kabisado, or I don't have any experience to travel or go in anywhere or go other place in Davao. So this is my first time. So this is kind of documents, and I just want to do details about it. So this is what happened here. Shout out Davao. Paano ba magbisaya ng welcome to Davao? Sorry I'm not into Visayan talaga, because the Visayan of Cebu is not the same with the Visaya of the Davao. Parang RA ang gamit sa Davao, and NY ata, NYI ang gamit naman sa Cebu. And ayun, ang alam ko lang, sawana ka. Sawana ka. Ayun lang. So yun lang, I just wanna share, friends.